Do you want to move gracefully through any challenge that you face? Hi, I'm Blythe Stephens, MFA Bliss Catalyst and creator of A Blythe Coach, helping multi-passionate creatives dance through their difficulties and take leaps of faith into lives of joy and fulfillment. Today I'm popping in to invite you to join my free 5-day Dance Through Any Difficulty virtual challenge, which will take place May 16th through 22nd for International Coaching Week. It is so exciting to see people stepping up to the challenge, ready to clear obstacles out of the way of their ability to make moves with ease and power and to live with joy and fulfillment. All you need to do is just pop your information into the link below or come visit me on Instagram at @ablythecoach and send me a DM and I'll get you started. The week of the virtual coaching challenge, we are going to clarify the obstacles that you face and then dance our way or choreograph our way through them, creating the next quantum leap into joy and fulfillment in just a few juicy minutes per day. I will lead you step by step through a powerful coaching tool and distinctions that will provide clarity. There'll be a short meditation, breathing, and movement practice to help us get grounded and centered. And then we'll reflect on what our insights to deepen our understanding and design action steps to make your insights have a permanent impact in your life. The information will also be presented both in the email and in video format. I will also include links to the previous day's content in each daily email, so you can go back and refer to that anytime. If you get stuck on a step, you can go back and clarify the step previous, and you can repeat this process with each difficulty that presents itself in your life. Each time you use the tool, your insights will deepen and you can propel yourself forward. If you found yourself here looking for a challenge that really is dance movement specific or yoga movement specific, then you will be excited to hear about my virtual yoga retreat taking place next month in June, and also my virtual dance intensive, and that will be in July. So keep your ears perked for those opportunities to come. And first thing, we're gonna celebrate International Coaching Week with a true coaching challenge in an embodied way that suits my style. So starting on Monday, we are going to do a brief breathing practice to get centered, and then we'll identify that stuck area, breakdown, or problem that you wish to dance through. Then I'll guide you through the process of removing the obstacle currently in your way, as well as provide that framework to use in the future. Please do spread the word to those you know who might benefit or enjoy from the challenge, because it can be extra powerful to go through with a buddy as an accountability partner and support. I'll look forward to busting through barriers with you. As always, send me a message with any questions or concerns, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the challenge next week. Until then, see you soon.